My name is Gary Knieza. I'm 60 years old and I'm in the food business. Had my house on the market for about 4 years. Of course, the market economy had something to do with it not selling, but had maybe some wrong real estate agents involved. Some are really wrong. I went through a couple of them. The worst part of the whole deal, we had not a bite on a thing for the first year, and then the second year we gone into it and hardly had, I think we might have had one person look at the house, if that. Finally, I took it off the market. I didn't want it to get stale. I rented it out, put it back on the market while they were still living there, hoping that it would show better this time around with furniture. These people were very good housekeepers, and it just didn't go anywhere. Hardly could anybody looking at the house again. Well, when I pulled it off the market the last time, it was about the third year, I got a call from a couple of real estate agents, and Mark was one of them. The first guy was just right off the bat the wrong guy. I could tell on the phone, I had nothing to do with it, but Mark kind of struck a chord with me. It seemed like a pleasant enough guy. He seemed like he was more down to earth and more realistic about things. So it didn't take long to really start getting some showings on the house, and we got a pretty solid offer not too far into that. The best thing about working with Mark is he didn't bother me. And I told Mark, I said, don't call me every time somebody calls you might want to look at the house. I said, if you got something firm, call me. I said, tell me what's going on. And he didn't. He didn't bother me. And when I called for an update, he'd give it to me. And he never called with unnecessary gossip and talk, which I really wasn't interested in. And I had been through that enough with real estate people. Oh, we might have something here. That's might means nothing to me. Like I said, he does his job well, and he's real professional about it. If I'd known him sooner, he'd have done another one for me.
Hi, I'm Mark George with Keller Williams Realty, and I appreciate the opportunity to meet with you in helping you get the home sold. I know that you've got a lot of choices in today's market in listing and selling a home, so I look forward to meeting with you and sharing with you how to be successful.